Hello guys, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can record sound like YouTube videos without stereo mixer and without Audacity and stuff like that. Okay, so first of all, to prove I have stereo mixer, go on playback devices like that, but I don't know what it is, but it's disabled, so only my headphones which are in aren't disabled, and recording headphones which I've got in right now, which is that little flash screen. Sounds just when you click and stuff. Okay, so no stereo mixer. Go look there. So cancel, and no Audacity. I don't think I have Audacity anyway. No Audacity. Okay, so now what the program you need is sound recorder, which basically I don't know where Macs have it, but I know on Windows every Windows computer has it coming there. It's under accessories, and there it is. Okay, Windows XP. This is Windows Vista. Windows XP does have a slightly different one. I think it has like a little settings bar, where this one's just bolt standard basic, really. I don't know what the Windows 7 one is like. This is just the theme of it. This is Windows Vista. Okay, and yeah, so that's the program that you'll be using. And then I'm going to open my internet browser, which is Google Chrome. So I like Google Chrome. And then you want to do YouTube. I think I spelled that wrong. No. Okay, so then go to YouTube. Right, and then find a song. So say access to Tayo Cruise Dine. No, higher. So I'm going to click it. Go with sound recorder. Start recording. Is it started? Yep. Okay, started. So one. I think this also record my voice as well, but you know, when you do it, you should be quiet or something. You know? So yeah, I recorded the first 12 seconds of the song. Now I ask you to save it. So it's in under docs. I'm just gonna put in Time Cruise higher sound recorder. Save it. Close it. Close your internet browser. Go to your documents. Okay, open my documents. And there it is, right? It says open it in iTunes, but I'm just going to open it in Windows Media. So let that open. Okay. So just let it open up. Okay. Don't think it's responding. It's taking a while though. Okay, not responding. Right. Go on. What's that? Operation aborted. And now it's just gonna mess up. Close program. Just gonna close it and try it again. Whoa, okay, that's weird. Unspecified error. Right. So now, okay, and that obviously didn't work that way. Sorry, it's taking a while. Just gotta open it up in iTunes. So guys, I think I've got it to work. Okay. So I don't know if you heard that. Now let me just play it one more time. Yeah, that's music. So yeah, I know that video didn't kind of go to plan as it should, but yeah, that's how to record video, well, songs off YouTube without stereo mixer or Audacity. Okay. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. If you liked it, click the like button. I won't blame you for clicking the dislike button because it did go wrong and such. Keep subscribe for more amazing computer tutorials. Yeah, thanks for watching and goodbye.